I'm Matt. I wasn't able to make quite as many changes as I thought in this. There are still differences between products that are available in classic white and the relatively new classic graphite, but what I have done is I've changed that to a single 120 span rather than two 600s. It'll make the thing feel a bit more solid and it will save a few pennies. As discussed, we've got rid of excuse me, one trouser hanger and replaced that with a normal shelf-free hanger. There is absolutely no point putting a shelf in there, it will just waste hanging drop from above. So that can be used for trousers on hangers or anything else you want. That is a standard click-in bracket, as is that, with a plastic clip-over cover which supports the hanging rail. So the only thing you might waste if you aren't able to use that whole sub-assembly in Leonora's, I hope I've got that name right, design, is the plastic covers with the mounts on them. Otherwise, there's every chance you'll be able to use that whole assembly. That is how I would design double height hanging. I would never put a shelf in there, complete waste of time. No one uses the shelf and it wastes hanging drop. Okay, so that's what we've got. That gives us a price of, click, click, click. Yeah, it's marginally cheaper than yours. Yours was £8.94. That's cool, yeah, it's £100 cheaper. There you go, that's pretty good. Right, speak soon.